Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to create an account in Dola AI in 2026, step by step, so you can start using your smart AI assistant without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to the official Dola AI website. Make sure you're on the correct site to keep your personal information secure. Once the homepage loads, look for a button that says something like Sign Up or Get Started. It's usually at the top right or in the center of the page. Click on that sign up button and you'll be taken to the registration page. Now enter your full name and the email address you want to use for your Dola AI account. Use an email you check regularly because you might need it for verification or account notifications. Then type in a strong password, something unique that you haven't used on other sites. A good password helps keep your account safe. After filling in your details, check for any terms of service or privacy policy notice and click the box to agree if required. Then press the button that says Create Account or something similar. You may see a message asking you to verify your email address. That means Dola AI will send a confirmation link to your inbox. So open your email, find the message from Dola AI, and click the verification link. This confirms your email and activates your account. Once your email is confirmed, go back to the login page and enter your email and password to sign in. And yeah, that's it. Creating a Dola AI account in 2026 is simple once you follow these steps. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides.